Okay, it's recording. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in. That way over there is my little brother, Jonathan, and my crazy mom. They walked to go mail something in the mailbox, which is like 2 blocks down in the pouring rain. Yeah, see, it's full, everything's flooded, and they decide to go on a walk in the rain. That's my car. This is my umbrella. See, it's red. Here they come down the street. Zoom in. Here they are. They're playing in the rain. That's just nice. Stand in the street while it's pouring outside. I have a tarp on. See, that's my tarp. It's gray. This is me and my umbrella. And that's them. Way over there. Oh, I was zoomed in. You probably couldn't see me. Let's zoom out. Okay, this is me. See me? And that's my umbrella. And my tarp. Oh, it's starting to rain harder now. Great. Zoom in on them. Running around in the street. Okay, there they are. Walk in the middle of the street and it's pouring raining and there's like hurricane warnings, yeah? Sounds like fun. Here they come to save the day. There they are. They're so stupid. Watch, when they get back, they're gonna be drenched, and I'm gonna laugh at them. They wanted me to go with them, but I said no. Oh, there's my umbrella. Sorry. Oh, they're skipping. That's lovely. This is gonna be hilarious. Okay, well, here they come. I think she thinks I'm taking pictures, but I'm taking a video, you dork. Oh wow, looks like they just took showers. They're so dumb. And now they're splashing in puddles. Say hi! I'm videotaping, come here! Jonathan, come here!
You want to videotape? That's our knees down there, man.
I'm videotaping it.
It's all up here.
Say hi.
All up to my knees.
Oh yeah?
No, seriously. It went into my boot.
Yeah? Oh yeah? I'm not a chicken. You guys are just retarded. You guys are drenched. Look at all your makeup smeared all over your face. Look at all that. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording now. Say bye.